14th November 2021. On this auspicious day, I, Matthias Sir, one of the teachers of Mangalde Don Bosco High School, would like to wish all of you, my dear adorable children, a very happy Children's Day to you all. And to commemorate the day, may I call Ashok Kumar Jha Sir for lighting the candle on the occasion of the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On this day, we commemorate the Children's Day, coinciding the birthday of our first Prime Minister. Hence, may I call Ashok Kumar Jha Sir for lighting the candle and doing the honor of the day. Thank you, sir. Thank you for lighting the candle. And may I call you also to speak a few words.
Honorable Father Principal, children, and my dear companion, teachers and staffs, we gathered here today to honor our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who born in 1889. He sacrificed his birthday in the name of children. He loves children very much. Actually, he born in Prayagraj, Allahabad, where his father's house was Anand Mahal. In that he born, and since then he grew up there. He learned his education. So he went far to gain his education. And when he returned back, he became the Prime Minister of our country. Children, actually these all are his quality. We ourselves get inspiration from his life and his way of work. Actually, children, if you will learn to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, from his life, if you learn, that means he was obedient and he always loved to his parents. I hope all of you will give importance and love to your father and mother. Once one very small story I am going to say you children. See that one. Once, three ladies was going to bring some water from a well. When they were returning back, first one's son was very learned person. He knows many slokas, means thousands of sloka he memorized, and he always was repeating that one. Second one was Baldev, his name was Baldev. And that Baldev was very mighty people. That means he was Pahalwan. And he always show his might. Third one was very simple persons, but he obeyed to his parents. That means his father and mother. When their mother was bringing water, the last one took his pitcher and carried it up to home. One old lady was coming behind. So all these three ladies asked, whose son was the best? To whom you will give the more mark? Then that old lady told, I did not see any son. At last who came, he was the real son of the mother. That means that very fellow helped to his mother, and he is real son of the mother. So children, if you will give importance to your father and mother, that means parents, elder, you will learn many things, and their blessing will raise you up. Remember that things. If you will follow teacher, parents, father and mother is the first teacher. Teacher is coming later on, but father and mother lives from the very beginning with you. Children, I hope you will follow to your parents. You will follow to our first Prime Minister of India later, but first you will follow to your parents, teacher, and to whom you have to give honor. Certainly you will give the proper honor. But your primary duty is to follow your parents, your father and mothers and the elder ones who lives in your house. Remember that thing. Don't ignore them. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for lighting the lamp as well as delivering a short speech highlighting the importance of the day. Thank you so much. So, my dear children, may I welcome respected Dominic Basmotari sir to welcome you all for this online celebration of Children's Day.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, headmistress, teachers, parents, and my dear loving children, I feel highly privileged to welcome you all to this Children's Day celebration 2021. Today, I take this wonderful opportunity to welcome you, particularly our dear students, on this auspicious occasion of Children's Day celebration. So, on behalf of teachers, parents and friends, I wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming us all to this wonderful celebration of Children's Day 2021. Now, may I welcome Tiny Tots to present us a beautiful step to entertain you all and also to commemorate the day. So please, children, come onto the stage and present your dance.
Beautiful
Thank you, dearest and loving children, for your wonderful steps. We have really enjoyed your dance, and we wish you a very happy Children's Day once again. Okay. Now, my dear friends, we have an unprecedented orchestra, and that is presentation of a song accompanied by guitars. Principal and all the teachers will play on the guitar and present you a beautiful song, and you will really enjoy it.
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. The cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the country, He made them everyone. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all.
Thank you, Father Principal, and all the teachers for your wonderful presentation. Here and now, we present you an admixture of cultural extravaganza, that is the cultural dance by class 10 students.
I know, raya gaba au san sanan chai samana nami pheta gaba au san sanan sang samana nami dona gaba au san sanan chai samana nami hiya gaba au san sanan sang samana viva raya ni viva pheta ni viva dona ni viva hiya ni no man pina san sanan san sanan sanan sham sanan.
बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे तुमको जो धूप सताए छाँव बिछा देंगे हम अंधेरे डराए तो जाकर फलक पे चांद सजा देंगे हम छाए उदासी लतीफे सुनाकर तुझको हंसा देंगे हम हंसते हंसाते यूं ही गुनगुनाते चल देंगे 4 कदम
Thank you, dear students, for your beautiful steps in varied hues and colors to make the day more eventful. The students of class 9 would like to present you a beautiful song, a meaningful song, which we will really enjoy and appreciate.
साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। ला 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 चलना अपना काम, पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल नाकाम। हौसला ना हारेंगे हम तो बाजी मारेंगे, हौसला ना हारेंगे हम तो बाजी मारेंगे। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। ला 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 ला। खुशियाँ हो या गम, आंधियों से खेलेंगे दर्द सारे झेलेंगे, आंधियों से खेलेंगे दर्द सारे झेलेंगे। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। ला 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 ला
Thank you, dear class 9 students, for your beautiful song that you have presented to us all. It is time for us all to listen to the inspiring and wonderful speech to be given by none other than our Father Principal. So, Father, please welcome onto the stage and deliver us a speech which will really inspire us.
Good morning to you all, my dear students and teachers, parents and guardians, On this happy occasion, I, on behalf of all the teachers, all the parents and guardians, I wish every student of our school and every child around us a very happy Children's Day. We celebrate the Children's Day on 14th November, that's today, because 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Now we may ask the question, why do we celebrate the Children's Day on his birthday? There are two main reasons. First, because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he really loved children. And secondly, he believed and he taught that children are the future of the nation. So my dear friends, today as we celebrate the Children's Day, as we wish the children of our school and around us happy Children's Day, our celebration is guided by these two important things. That is the need to love children and need to believe that children are the future of our nation. Just as we know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he loved children very much and children loved him very much. And that's why they lovingly called him Nehru Chacha or Chacha Ji. My dear friends, this is one thing that we all need to remember, that children, they need love, they need our attention, they need our care. We all know, as teachers, as parents and guardians, we all love our children. But something that Saint Don Bosco, the great educationist and the lover of children, said, it is important that not only we love children, but we must tell them that we love them. So my dear children, today as we celebrate Children's Day, we the teachers, we sing and dance for you. We wish you a very happy Children's Day. And when we as teachers today sing and dance, we wish you the Children's Day and we give you some gifts and sweets. We just want to tell you that we love you. And we are doing all these things because we love you. The second reason why we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November is that because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he believed that children are the future of our nation. And my dear children, we, your teachers, your parents, we believe in you. We believe in your talents. We believe all that you can do. Now, some of you may ask, dear children, that how can I build a nation? I'm a small boy. I'm a small girl. What I think is it's possible for every child to build a nation by doing three simple things that I would like to tell today. First, we build by nation by making use of our brain and our heart that God has given us as gift. And when we make use and when we make the best use of our brain and our heart to love people around us, love our parents, love our teachers, love our friends and family members, then we are already building a great nation. So loving others, respecting others is the first step to build a great nation. Second thing we can do is, God has given each one of us beautiful talents. Some of you are good in singing. Some of you are good in dancing. Some of you are good in writing. Some of you are good in cricket. Some of you are good in volleyball. Some of you are good in running. So each one of you, God has given beautiful talents. And when you make use of these talents, you grow in your talents. If you have a talent to sing and you practice every day and you become a great singer, then by doing that you are building a nation. So the second point I would like to tell dear children, that to build a nation we need to build our talent. We need to grow our talents and make use of the God-given talents to serve our nation. Third thing, what I would like to say, how each one of you can build a nation is, in our country we see hundreds of children without parents, without home, without school, and without food sometimes. These children, like you, they don't have the chance to go to school, have good clothes, good food. On this day, when we think of celebrating Children's Day, when we are celebrating Children's Day, and when we want to build the nation, I would like to ask each one of you, my dear children, can you think of helping a child, a small boy, a small girl who has no money, no parents to go to school, to be educated? Can you think of helping them? If you are able to help one child, you are building a nation. So my dear children, today I would like to tell you that on this happy day, we want to wish you a very happy Children's Day to you. And we want to tell you we love you and we appreciate your life. We believe in your talent. We believe in your skill. We believe that you will be a great person in your life. So on this happy day, we, all the parents, all the teachers, we want to tell you that God may bless you with good health of mind, body and soul, that truly you grow to love others, to respect others, and you grow in freedom, and also you build a great nation by loving people, by helping people, and by appreciating one another. So once again, my dear children, I want to wish you a very happy Children's Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Father, for the inspiring and educative speech that you have delivered to us. Now I would like to welcome you all to a beautiful Bihu step to be presented by Madam Karishma Gohain.
ভুমুকিয়াই ওই খালে ভুমুকিয়াই ওই সাঙাই ভুমুকিয়াই গাত ওই মনৰে ভিতৰত তোমাৰ অগা দেৱা ওই দেহি শুনাইছে নাই মইনা ওই সদায় পৰি থাকে মন সালাম কই দেখা খিরখিরাই গল মই না জানোই দেখা খিরখিরাই গল মই না জানোই পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা ঐ কিনো হাঁহিতিৰে মহিলা ঐ নুবুজা সাঁথৰ হ'ল মই না জানোই নুবুজা সাঁথৰ হ'ল মই না জানোই নোকোৱাকৈ মনৰ কথা নোকোৱাকৈ মনৰে কথাটো ঐ কিনো চাৱনিৰে চালাম কৈ দেহা খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো দেহা খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা
Thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful dance you have presented to us all. The children have really enjoyed your dance. Dearest and adorable children, now we present you a beautiful song. The meaning of the song is the essence of being an Assamese. In my thoughts, in my words, and in my actions, I will ever be an Assamese. I will be born and die an Assamese. In the cycle of my birth and rebirth, I would like to be born and reborn an Assamese. The song will be presented by our respected teacher, Alok Kumar Nath sir.
মরণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া জীৱনে মৰণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই জীৱনে মৰণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া জীৱনে মৰণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই জীয়াই থাকোঁতে মই অসমৰে অসমীয়া মৰিলেও বৰি ল'ম অসমৰ অমৰণ মৰিলেও বৰি ল'ম অসমৰ অমৰণ জীৱনে মৰণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই অসমৰ হকে যুঁজি অসমৰ হকে মৰো অসমৰ হকে যুঁজি অসমৰ হকে মৰো ধৰ্ম মোৰ জাতি মোৰ অসমীয়া প্ৰাণৰ আপোন অসমীয়া প্ৰাণৰ প্ৰাণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই অসমীয়া ভাষা মোৰ কথা মোৰ গীত মোৰ অসমীয়া ভাষা মোৰ কথা মোৰ গীত মোৰ অসম প্ৰকৃতিয়ে ৰচা অসম প্ৰকৃতিয়ে ৰচা চিনি পাম বুজি পাম অমৰণ সৰগতো মোৰেই ভাষা অসমীয়া জীৱনে মৰণে মই চিৰদিন অসমীয়া অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই অসমীয়া দেহে প্ৰাণে মই
Thank you so very much, sir, for the beautiful and inspiring song that you have sung for us. We have come to the end of online Children's Day celebration. And as the last item, we have a dance to be presented by Bonita Miss and her Rosemary Miss. Thank you, Bonita Miss and co, for presenting such a wonderful dance to entertain our children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru once said, failures come when we forget our ideals, objectives, and principles. On this beautiful day, in conclusion of the Children's Day celebration, I would like to thank God the Almighty, who has given us beautiful life. And especially to you, my dear children, in the morning of your life, you are full of joy, and the day has brought you a special significance and meaning. And second of all, I would like to thank Father Principal, Father Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Tinsy, our headmistress, and all the teachers who have cooperated with one another, and also all the students who have contributed their items to make the day a meaningful day. And to you all who have watched this program and made it. You, all of you, my dear children, parents, and the well-wishers, without your watching, the day and the online celebration would not have been so meaningful. So may I thank you once again to one and all of you. Thanks a lot.